Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find Doris during the rain or snow weather in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, in Heartopia, Doris is a secret NPC who only appears during specific weather events. Her location and appearance change depending on the current weather. So you should check the weather app on your smartwatch in the game to plan your visit. And now it's snowy guys. So it's time to find Doris. And during the rain or snow weather, usually you can find Doris in the art district or art street near the town square. It's right here, art street. And then I'm going to visit her. Okay, let's find her. And from Doris, we can get special items. And Doris is here, guys. Okay, during the rain or snow, she typically wears a deep blue outfit and sells unique items like the original roll cake recipe and colored sugar. Okay, you just need to talk to her to visit her store. Oops, oh my god. She's moving. Okay, I'm going to talk to Doris and visit the Fortune store. And here we can buy the colored sugar and the postcard and also umbrella. But the items will be different for every event. Okay guys, and that's how we can find Doris during the rain or snow weather in a Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!